Tired of spending hours fighting with PowerPoint templates just to make a decent presentation? What if you could turn your messy, raw notes into a stunning, professional slide deck in just a single click? Today, we're looking at Chronicle AI, a modern AI presentation maker designed to help you build highly polished, interactive decks without the usual design headache. Whether you are prepping a sales proposal, a pitch deck, or a quick business update, Chronicle lets you start from almost anywhere. You can paste in raw meeting notes, outlines, or existing documents, and the AI instantly pulls everything together into a cohesive draft. What makes Chronicle different from other rigid AI slide generators is its free-form canvas. You aren't locked into stiff, robotic layouts. Instead, you get full editing control to customize your visuals and charts while keeping everything perfectly aligned. If you work in a team, you can easily set up your brand's specific fonts, colors, and visual rules so that every slide stays completely on brand automatically. When you're finished, you can export your work straight to PowerPoint to keep editing, download it as a PDF, or even publish it directly as an interactive website. Now, because Chronicle is a relatively fresh tool in the space, widespread third-party user reviews are still quite limited. However, early adopters and founders who have shared their experiences praise the platform for its clean, clutter-free user interface, with some even saying they prefer it over Google Slides because it keeps them focused. Others have noted that the visual quality is so clean that audiences actively ask what tool they used immediately after a presentation. On the flip side, because the tool is newer and review data is still growing, we don't have a massive history of long-term user feedback or detailed breakdowns of potential bugs yet. Overall, if you want to save time and design decks that actually look like they were made by a high-end agency, Chronicle is absolutely worth trying. You can head over to chroniclehq.com to sign up and try it out for free. If you found this quick tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point AI reviews.